Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to move to our next problem, DSA problem question in the Dart. So the question will be sum of digits. So we have to write a function in a Dart that calculates sum of digit of a given integer. For example, let's see. As you can see, there are digit like 1, 2, 3, and in the output we have to show the 10. So let me explain how this come. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that will be is equal to 10. And in the next question we have to also make sure that works for the positive and negative integer only. And for example, if this negative integer happen, we have to calculate its positive only. For example, the result will be 5, 6, 7 plus 8 is equal to 26. Okay, so let me solve the question first. First, let me return the n. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have to work on the negative values. So what I am going to do, I will remove that negative values. So we have the apps method inside our dart function, which will be remove the negative thing. Let me print this thing as well. Like for the this value, it will remove the negative value and convert it to the positive one. I don't know. Let me just this thing and dot on compiler. As you can see, it removes the negative value from the our integer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. I will create the int sum value where I initialize as 0 and create a loop which will start from n and goes till at 0. Okay, inside this loop I'm going to first add my value to over here, and after it I will remove the last digit from the integer value, and I will return this sum. Let's execute this thing. As you can see, we get the expected output. If you don't know about this, what this just happened. So what I have done, like we have this integer, and this will give the value of 4. Okay, and after this will remove the last integer and give the value to something like this. So let me also try run the code as well. And let me just simply go for one only. Okay, so this will be the 4, and n will be start as 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I said, This code will remove the last digit. And if you don't know about this delete function, or we can say this is the bitwise operator. If you want, I will create a video on the bitwise operation and how we are using this thing. Okay. After the first iteration, the value will be like this. Second iteration, the value will be like this. Second, third iteration, and this will be the fourth iteration. As you can see, the n will be the zero, since at that time the loop will closed and it will return the sum value. Okay. So this is the basic code that I have written for the sum of the digit value. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.